For a certain system of rating relief pitchers, 3 points are awarded for a save, 3 points are awarded for a win, 2 points are subtracted for a loss, and 2 points are subtracted for a blown save. If a pitcher has 4 saves, 3 wins, 2 losses, and 1 blown save, how many points does he have? So you can see I've written out the information, and what we need to do is multiply the fact that 4 saves gives him 3 points for a total of 12 points. 3 wins times 3 points for each win for a total of 9 points. For the 2 losses, we multiply by 2, which means that he loses those 4 points. And then for 1 blown save, it's also 2 points. So 1 times 2 for 2. And remember, he loses those 2 points. And so the expression would be 12 plus 9 minus 4 minus 2. And when we evaluate this, we get a total of 15. So the relief pitcher is awarded a total of 15 points.